Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're doing a try not to laugh. Hashtag ASMR confirmed. So, there's no really challenge this time, so let's get started. Yay! Hit F and let's go. It's hilarious. Tray jam. Toady jam. It's Elmo. It's Elmo. It's Elmo. It's scary. No, it's not. It's creepy. He said Georgie, like from It. I throw a grenade down there. No. This is gonna be hilarious. Okay. That was just funny. This looks like my mom's bathroom. Kind of. Except for the dog grate up there. Oh, that's why. Did she just... What was that? What was that? What was that? She just kicked it into the sink. Parkour. No way. Bruh. He's like, yeah! 5 million views. I'm just gonna get 50 million. Like, where did he go? Oh my gosh. Oh, I've seen that video where they're doing parkour. Headshot. It's filthy. Oh no, it's not filthy. Frank. It's so pixelated. That's what oh dang it, I laughed. That's what I do when I was playing story mode. That's what I did. I haven't gotten that far though. I've seen this commercial on TV. He goes, oh my gosh. They have to do that? No, that's not. Thanos. Oh. Can I... Here's a stapler. Wow. I get it. One time I was thinking of what I should do for a video, and this what I thought of. I was going to search non-copyrighted video, non-copyrighted music video, except it can't be copyrighted unless they're the one that made the song. So that's like how to basic. He's like, yeah, okay. That looks like my friend Brevin. Go subscribe to him. Oh my gosh, that dude just got destroyed. Oh, I laughed twice. Oh, wait, how much? That's 6 minutes. And we've been recording for 6 minutes. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let's go. He just broke the announcer's table. Oh, I always thought they were hollow. That thing's like, rage quit. 50 kill win. Oh, 50 kill second place. That's what he was like. How is this funny? How tiny is that dog? Okay. This is from ASWDF movies. Free what? He was vaping. Oh no. No, I've seen this. Okay. Pita bread. I love pita bread. Banana bread. He's gonna eat it. And they're so mean to this Doge dog. That's for Samsung. It's Ninja Games. Okay. Okay. Man. Like, boom. He just destroyed us. What did you say? Nope. Sprite, cranberry. No, it's not. This is it's drowning. Save it. Gucci. That's what he's talking about. He's talking about Gucci. I'm not doing that, definitely. So guys, anyway, thank you for watching, and tell me how you did in the comments. And my headphones aren't working that well, so I'm using these for a little bit till I figure out what's wrong with them. So, goodbye, guys. Well, they're all right, actually. But, yeah. So, goodbye, guys. Please leave a like, comment down below how you did. Goodbye.